It's my pleasure to participate in this ceremony on behalf of my country, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, to hand over this package as gift of the brotherly country, Islamic Republic of Pakistan. This gift is presented through the King Salman Humanitarian AIDS and ریلیف Center. The Kingdom Salman ریلیف Center office in Pakistan also performs noble service to brotherly country Pakistan and its people and stand by them in every thick content.
These 75,000 food packs that are being presented today as a gift to the people of Pakistan, let me assure you that through the efforts of NDMA and KS Relief, will reach out to the most needy people across the nook and corners of Pakistan. KS Relief and NDMA have improved their cooperation and their synergy in the field of humanitarian assistance, particularly during last 1.5 years.